Back in Virginia with the Playboy Mazda MX-5 Cup. Big shuffle up front. You've still got the two blue AMG cars, but now Justin Piscatell has worked his way up to third, Elliott. What happened to Lionel Kent?
Well, I think Kent must have made a mistake someplace to let them by, because he's been doing an excellent job of driving.
Take a look here. Kent in second spot. This was a moment ago while we were in break. He gets off the racetrack.
He got way sideways early. He just carried too much speed in there, got on the brakes, and the rear end came around on him. He lost his momentum coming down the straight big time, and now it's Piscatell's turn to take a shot at the blue cars.
Down into turn number 1, 15 laps complete, working lap 16. Todd Lamb is the leader, Todd Burris is second, Piscatell is third, and Lionel Kent, who's had such a great day, has led laps. First time all season that Lamb has been passed on the racetrack. Well, Lionel Kent's gotten shuffled back to fourth spot.
Yeah, you know, you can't make much of a mistake, and if you're going to make one, don't make it at the beginning of the longest straight on the track, because in these cars, momentum is so much everything. You've got to have it down the straight, and it cost him a couple spots.
And where Todd Lamb is so good ordinarily and has been good most of the day today, he rarely makes a mistake.
Well, you know, we haven't seen the mistakes from him at all. And I guess he upset Kent once you saw that. but, you know, it was still a good move. He got through, and he didn't do it again the next time. But, you know, he's having a really good day. You don't see him in big slides. You don't see him doing other stuff. And, you know, truthfully, we haven't seen that from Piscatell either. So maybe Piscatell could take a real shot at the two front guys.
Playboy Mazda MX-5 Cup season coming to a conclusion this weekend in October here at Virginia International Raceway. Todd Lamb, Todd Burris running 1-2. Third spot belongs to the rookie, Justin Piscatell. Oh, and Piscatell goes way off as well.
Piscatell's turn. You know, it's so important to get the drive off there, and everybody's trying to get to it now. He has to go to the back of the queue. Moves Malkasian back up, and actually Piscatell's lost everybody. You can see him get sideways really early. Almost the same thing Kent did, except worse. He's further off the track than Kent got, but he was able to save it, and these cars, as strong as they are, probably won't affect the car a lick.
So Todd Lamb, who has raced his way back into the lead after giving it up a couple of times today, leading Todd Burris by a couple of car lengths, heading to the front straightaway. Let's check in on the fight for 12th ply in that green and gray and white machine. And Jeff Mosing, driving a different car this weekend, has one of the two Traxxas cars, had to start at the back.
Yeah, he started dead last, and you know, he's been in some trouble lately, and he just wanted to get out there and race some more. So they let him start at the back, and he said, I'll keep clean and go fast, and he has done that all day and moved right on through the pack.
Leaders continue their fight. Now, Todd Burris being a good teammate, is he just acting as Todd Lamb's wingman here?
Well, I don't know. You know, we haven't seen that so far. But, you know, he might be, because he knows that Todd is on the roll and the head man on the team, and he may just sit there and follow behind him. But then, you know, he may want to go racing with him, but right now they want to hook up and go, because they don't want to have Kent come back in and upset this deal again.
Top two pulling away. A little further back, here's Mark Miller now. He has advanced in that 28 car, gotten himself up to 6th at the head of the second group of machines. But as we mentioned before, probably needs a full course yellow, and the laps are really winding down. Not a lot of time left on the clock here. Miller up to 6th from the back of the grid. It's been a great, heroic drive. It'll probably come up a little short here as he tries to come back and take the championship away from Todd Lamb this weekend.
Yeah, and I think that third car in line there, that's the Ryan Ellis, I believe, who's the guy that we saw go all around in the S's, spun out, got himself going again, and now he's up racing.
Up under the VIR bridge, leaders continue to pull away. Third spot belonging to Justin Piscatell in the 89, and Lionel Kent fighting for that spot in the 13. Looks like Kent has gotten back by to take over third. All right, let's take a quick timeout. Lamb and Burris are 1 and 2. Kent, Malkasian, and Piscatell will be back at VIR.